Okay, part 3. Ooh, Morphe. This is a blush set. All right, what is this one? Oh, I know what this one is. My kids are gonna love this. Do you guys ever watch those videos? Oh my gosh, these are so fun. I can watch them for hours. Oh, this is a stadium bag. But this is a cute stadium bag. Very nice, good quality. Okay, okay. These are women's pants. I'm actually gonna wear these today, so stay tuned for the OOTD. Guys, these are gonna be so freaking cute.